Well, how to make $100 online fast with no risk matched betting to make money from free bets. Yes, this is going to be awesome way to earn money. This is not like if you like betting, you can go on with this video, but let me show you. This is not like regular betting. This is a matched betting. If you don't know about how matched betting works, this is a really risk-free 100% legit, and it's a tax-free income way. That is a strategy to make risk-free money from bookmakers free bets. Yes, this is the awesome strategy that I'm going to reveal in this video that you will really love if you just new here in betting, or if you want to, or if you don't know even about this, you can just learn for learning purpose. You can know how easy this method is, that you can just go there and make money. But disclaimer is, I'm not a financial advisor or any financial expert, and I do not recommend anyone to invest any money anywhere. I'm not responsible for anyone's investment, but this requires some investment, as it's a betting related section, and you can just go there and do your research, do your own due diligence, and you can invest your own money. But let me confirm you, I am not responsible for anything. This video is totally educational purpose only, so it's a recur only. Even you can start with $10. That is the catch here. You just can use test it out, this system, with just $10 of you. So that is not a like $1,000 $1 million investment. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you how you can go there and you can start earning with matched betting. Yes, because you don't know anything about it. So if you don't know anything about it, how can you go there? How can you go that offers that you can make money with it? So yeah, I'm just going to show you the site. This is teamprofit.com. Is a really brilliant way to make money online with bookmakers money. So how this strategy work? The strategy is really awesome. You simply go there. Various betting exchanges are out there that are really arranging betting for you. You just go there and bet on various sports events, and if you bet on like, say, for example, $5 to a team to win or to a team to lose, then whenever that team wins or lose, you get, if you win that money, if you win that bet, your bet will, you will get double return, or if you lose, you will lose your money. That's it. That's the regular betting. But what is matched betting? Matched betting is, there are lots of bookmakers who are inviting new users, new customers to their platform, so that they can make more money on that and they can earn commissions as well. But they want you to be on that so that they can make more money. So that is why they many times they offer free bets, free money to all the new users and existing users as well. So that is the catch here. You just they will ask you to go there and use the free bets, and that's it. That's the way it is. So how everything will work here? So the strategy is simple. You just use the free bets on bookmakers, and then you just get another bets on bet exchanges. So simply the method is, if they have sporting events going on, like one team is, there are two teams as well, so one team will win and one team will lose. So if you have like $10, you just, if a bet bookmaker asks you to bet on team that wins or lose, you can simply put $5 on one team that it will lose, and on a bet exchange you just put another $5 on that same team that they will lose or they will win, the either case. So no matter what, that team will win or that team will lose. So either way, you will not get your money lost. You will win every time, so you get your profit back. That's it. You simply making investing what you have. Just go there and invest and bet on both sides, that you can always make money on this is the concept of matched betting. And if you want to find the offers, then team profit comes in, and this is a really good way to get those offers. And you can just, if they have lots of plans out there, you can just start for free. So if you work full time, if you work part time, if you stay at home, if you're a student or other, you can just go and click on different buttons here. If I just click on the full time, if it will show this page, and you can see that earn 1000 euro from matched betting, fit it around your full-time schedule with team profit. So this is really awesome. There are already millions of matched bettors and around UK and Ireland, and you can go there and earn money. So that is a requirement that you are, these are works on UK and Ireland based locations. And so if you are in there, it will be better for you, but it's also getting more and more attractions in worldwide situations. But sometimes these are not allowed on every countries. That is why the catch here. So you just go there, you can start with 10 euros or $10. This is very simple. You simply just go there, fitting matched betting around the full-time jobs. You just, it's only required like 20 to 30 minutes of your time anytime. So after your job at the evening, you can do that, and anytime over the weekend. And it's a complete flexible, and 30 euro can on an hour you can earn from this. So minimum on average people are earning like 30 to 60 euros per hour just doing matched betting on their spare times. And this is really awesome and easy way to make $100 fast. This is the way you can just start it. You can, it's a 100% free way. They have tutorials, and it's a no-brainer option. So simply go there. You can see that join for free button here. You just click on that and fill the simple forms and confirm your mail, and after that it will show something like this, that congratulations on joining the team profit, and you will love making 600 euros plus from profit. And so they are showing you the next steps are there, like sign up to Betfair exchange. It takes just 2 minutes for their exchange registrations, and they will affiliate it on with that. And the second page is, if you don't know anything about that and the concept of match betting, how it works, you just go there, and they have an awesome video course out there. You can click on that. This page will show up, and you can see that they have really good video tutorial class that you just watch, and you will learn how easily you can risk-free 100% legit way you can just use matched betting to earn regular income every day. So if you just go over to their bulk offers list and page, you can see that there are these type of offers are right now going on, and you can just simply start with minimum 10 euro. That's a very good way to test it out the system. This is really good way. Who doesn't have $10 to spare and test it and test anything? So this is really awesome. You can see that they are right now going on, like these are the offers. You can see that bookmakers offer bet $5 you will get $20, bet $5 you will get 20, bet $10 10 euro you will get 30 euros. So these are the system. The team profit is accumulated and showing you. You just go there and you will press that, and it will show the way, the steps you have to put your money. That way you can get your profit without losing your capitals. So this is the really awesome way to earn a decent amount of money online. So simply go there, go these sites daily, check it out, all the offers. And if most of the offers, it's like for new users, and if you just go there and register there and get that offer, get that profit, and then you are become become a regular existing user. So time to time bookmakers will offer more free bets to irregular users as well. So this is a never ending opportunity. You just go there and earn a decent amount of money every day. So making $100 online fast is really easy from your home as well. If you're doing a job, if you don't have a time, you can just spend 30 minutes daily and you can make $100 easily. So this is it, guys. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.